Alan, congratulations on winning the Long Service Award. Did it come as a surprise this evening?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I mean it's long serving. You tend to think that the award tends to go to people who were right at the end of their career. I know the latter stages, but hopefully there's still a little bit to go yet. But no, it's a terrific honour, and I'm really sort of delighted with it.
In these many years service, what's been your most favourite and most memorable sort of moment for Wales?
I guess I always refer back obviously to the playing your first cap. I think it's not just for yourself. You realise after it's probably for your family and your friends and the club that I was at Swansea at the time. But there are so many memories that you have playing for Wales, and I guess a lot of it is frustration as well. The fact that we didn't actually qualify for a major tournament, and I say hopefully now, I'm saying on stage that it would be fantastic if the boys can actually rectify that, and I'm sure they will.
And do you wish you were part of this team that was playing now?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. It's I just can't wait to go on holidays. In the next couple of years. With a T-shirt. France 2016. The fact that we've qualified, and it will be great. I mean, the players have worked exceptionally hard, and obviously all credit to Chris and his staff as well. We're all so very, very proud of them.